Last week, I made over $4,000 with affiliate marketing, and I've recently discovered a brand new Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy that I'll be sharing with you in this video. This requires no money or experience, so it's possible for anyone to get started. Now let's get right into it. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote a brand's products or services with a unique link that you're given, and if someone clicks on your link and signs up, you make a commission. It's great because you don't have to worry about the product, you just have to advertise it. Now let's do a quick run-through of how my affiliate marketing strategy works. The first step is picking a topic or niche that you want to promote. Different topics include cooking, fitness, finance, self-development, and the list goes on, so you can really do anything. However, the best niche on Pinterest is money and motivation, and so that's what I would pick. The next step would be to find affiliate links related to your niche, which I'll show you how to do later on in this video. Now, the next step of this strategy requires you to create a Pinterest business account, and you'll be using this account to promote your different affiliate links on your Pinterest account. You're going to have to post pictures and videos like this, which I'll show you exactly how to do later on in this video. Thankfully, Pinterest now allows you to actually add affiliate links to all the content you post on your account. And this is a recent update they came out with. This is great because you can get a ton of clicks on your affiliate links. I thankfully do have a ton of experience with Pinterest affiliate marketing. And so I'll be sharing with you the top growth tips that I've personally used myself to grow my account. But that was pretty much just a quick summary of how the strategy works. But now I'll be giving you a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually start this today. Step number 1 of this tutorial is picking your niche. Like I said before, you can really pick anything. But the most popular one on Pinterest is money and motivation. So that's what I would pick. Now, the next step is to find affiliate links related to your niche. Now, there are a few websites you can use to find affiliate links. My favorites are Amazon Associates, PartnerStack, Impact.com, and ClickBank.com. And if you do decide to pick the money and motivation niche, I do know 3 really good affiliate programs that I'll share with you right now. The first one is Honey, which gives you $10 per successful referral. People use Honey to get coupon codes when shopping online. Another great one is the Rakuten affiliate program. People also use this to find coupons online when shopping. The next affiliate program I recommend is the Fiverr one. You get 25% commission from anyone that purchases a service from Fiverr, which is solid, so feel free to check out these affiliate programs. Now, let's move on to the different websites you can use to find affiliate links. The first one is PartnerStack, and there are a ton of great affiliate programs here. So go ahead and create your account. And once it gets approved, you can click up on Marketplace and it will show you a ton of different affiliate programs. Next, let's try using ClickBank to find some affiliate links. So once you create your account, click up on Affiliate Marketplace. You're going to see a ton of different categories, and I'll be checking out the business one. Now look through these and see if you can find anything good related to your niche. Now say you find something you like. Just click on Promote, add a nickname, create a hop link, and now you have your own custom affiliate link that you can start promoting, and you can track all the commission that comes through on ClickBank's dashboard page after you've gotten all your affiliate links. So what you want to do is go to the description of this video and click on the link where it says Free Shopify Trial. And basically, you'll be using Shopify to create a link. So go ahead and add your email address so you can start your free trial, all right? So you'll be brought to this page here. So click on Select a Plan and go ahead and choose a basic plan. And once you're done there, go back to Online Store and click here on Customize. So this is what your website looks like. But we are going to be customizing this, and you're basically going to have all your links here. So first thing I want you to do is hide everything on this page, just like I'm doing here. And you should have a blank page as a result. Then click on Add Section Multi-Column. Now, for each affiliate link you have, you must add one column. You just go ahead and add 6 columns. Now click here and just remove this text. So now you're going to go ahead and add an affiliate link in each column. So for example, let's add an affiliate link here. So make sure you remove all this text and just add your link right here. And then where it says link label, just highlight basically what your link is. And now just do this for all the different columns, and as an end result, it should look like this, and you can obviously customize this with different colors if you want in this section, but I'm just going to keep it like this for now, all right? And now we're done. So just go ahead and save it, and let's exit. Now here I want you to search up domain and click on change to a new Shopify domain, and now just add what you want your URL link to be. All right, now let's just copy the link and go and see it on Google. And obviously it looks pretty basic, but if you wanted to, you could add some colors. Moving on now to the next step, which is creating your business Pinterest account and posting content. Let's get straight into how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Step 1 is to create your Pinterest account, and here on your profile, click on the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Settings, Account Management. Then convert to a business account and fill out all the information. It'll ask you to add a username, and for this, I recommend just picking something easy to remember. So this is what your profile should look like. Next step is to create a profile picture, and I recommend using Canva to create this. I'll leave a link for a free trial with Canva in the description of this video so you can go ahead and create your account with that link. Moving on now to the exciting part, which is creating content to promote your affiliate links. You'll be creating photos like this and also posting videos like this on your account. Now, if you go on your Pinterest account and click on the plus, you're going to see a button that says Idea Pin. So if you click on this, it's going to allow you to upload both images and videos. You can think of an idea pin as a piece of content that Pinterest pushes out a ton on their platform. So if you want to grow your account quickly, posting idea pins is the best way to go, and you're able to add your affiliate links on your idea pins, which means you can expect to get a ton of clicks on your links. Importantly, you should be posting anywhere from 2 to 3 idea pins every single day if you want your account to grow quickly. Now, the best part about this is the idea pins you post don't have to be your own. So what you want to do is go on TikTok and search up your niche. So I'm going to search up money and motivation and look through all the videos here, and there's thousands of great ones to pick from. So if you find something you like and you want to post it on your Pinterest account, copy the link and then go to the website Snaptik app, then paste the TikTok video link here and download the video without a watermark. And now you can go ahead and post this video to your Pinterest account in the idea pin section. So let me show you how I would do that. Just add any caption in the description, make sure you credit the original owner of the video, and where it says add link, you can go ahead and just add your link there. I would also add a few tags related to your topic, and then just upload the video. Aim to post at least 2 videos every single day in the idea pin section, and if you can do 3 or 4 or even more than that, that's even better. Now let's move on to posting photos on your Pinterest account. For this, you actually have to create the photos yourself, and I'll show you an example of what you'd create. First thing you want to do is create your Canva account using the link in the description of this video if you have not already. Now in your Canva account, click on Create Design, then search for Pinterest Pin, and then click on it. Okay, so now we can go ahead and create our Pinterest pin. Now the nice thing is there are actually a ton of different templates that we can use for reference. Alright, so after looking through some of these, I found this template here, which is awesome. So the first thing you want to do is identify which affiliate link you're going to promote. I want to promote Rakuten, which basically allows people to save money when they shop online with coupon codes. So I'm going to go ahead and just customize this to make sense with what I'm promoting. So basically the text I added here was save thousands when shopping online with Rakuten. So this is perfect because if someone reads this and they're interested in saving money online, they will go ahead and actually click on your image and then go to your affiliate link. So once you've customized your photo, I want you to go ahead and just download it, and now you can can upload this to your Pinterest account. Now, every week, you want to upload at least 4 images, and this is a strategy I find works best. Now, let me show you how I would upload this as a pin. So click here, Pin, Now Upload, and just add your title. You can really do anything for this, and then add your affiliate link here, and I can just go ahead and post it. So as long as you're posting 4 images every week, you'll be solid. If you're looking to have more guidance on affiliate marketing, just go on YouTube and find a course. Now that's all for this tutorial. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.